I'm Jeremy here in the Brainerd location of M&M Express, and we're going to talk about TYM's, one of their newest models, the T5068. It's taking the place of the T6x4, which has been now discontinued by TYM. This is one of their newer models, little few upgrades from the 6x4. This is a power shuttle. Comes with a self-leveling loader on this one. 78-inch bucket, I believe. So, loader lift capacity on this guy is pretty close to 3,200 pounds. So you're going to lift all your heavy bales and pallets of firewood, no problem. Plenty of lift capacity for doing any kind of chores around the farm or your property, moving deer stands. Nice thing about one of the upgrades on that TYM has been doing on some of their cab models, including that 4058, which I've done a video on before, is third function comes standard from the factory, which is always a nice upgrade to have. Plop into the cab here. They've also upgraded the 3-point. This has the Bosch electric over hydraulic 3-point, as seen also on the 4058. 5075 also has that. No lever, it's got a dial and up and down buttons for the 3-point to go up and down. It's like I said, it's a power shuttle, medium, high, and low gears, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a great tractor to drive. They also have a heated and cooled cup holder in this cab now, which is a pretty nice feature. Keep your coffee hot and your pop cold on hot days. Of course, it's got the standard cab features, has heat and AC, radio, speakers, rear wiper, front wiper, all that good stuff that you normally see in any kind of cab tractor. LED lights all around on this cab. Another upgrade from the 6x4. They just had the standard halogens. These have LED lights on the rear here and on the front. They also have the buttons on the side for the external 3-point lever. No lever in the middle, just buttons on each side. On left and right fenders, both have those buttons, so it makes it easier to raise and lower that 3-point from the back when you're hooking up some implements. This one comes standard with the Category 2 hitch, and also 2 rear hydraulic remotes for hooking up your hydraulic lines. Of course, you can add a third. So as well, nice heavy-duty drawbar on that on this tractor as well. 3-point hitch lifts 4,200 pounds, so lifting up some pretty big implements. Rear PTO horsepower is 62. That's what it's putting out at the shaft. You have 540 and 750 RPMs on the back on this guy. Nice big mirrors on the side. You got your dual steps on each side as well. Got a nice cover protecting the filters and some other parts behind this step here. Again, yeah, this is a nice heavy-duty tractor that TYM just released not too long ago, replacing the T6x4, T5068 PC power shuttle. You can make open station versions and just normal shuttle shift. Power shuttle's the way to go. A lot nicer. You don't have to clutch to shift with the power shuttle, so you just shift to the gears. A lot faster, a lot nicer, especially if you're doing motor work. Standard, get steer quick attach, of course. As in all the tractors we sell now. No more switching pins, messing around. Quick switch it over. And this does also have a, what I just discovered, on the side here it has a battery disconnect as well. So you can disconnect that battery if you put it away for some long-term storage. If you'd like to see this in person, you can come see me at the Brainerd location. We're at 13380 Highway 25 in Brainerd. You can give a call to any of our locations and we can get it shipped out to any of them if you want to check it out. Online at mmexpresssales.com.
M&M Express, conquer the sea.